Today we discussed about the unified process and use case diagrams. So in this we discussed about what's the unified use case diagram in purpose for drawing these use case diagrams. Use case is one way of representing system functionality. Use case refers to system behaviors, a set of activities that produce some outputs. Use cases define the outside actors and the inside use case of the system behaviors. Use case name can be placed inside the use. So purpose of drawing this use case diagrams, you should identify the actors and cases actions performed in between multiple actors that should be discussed in use case diagrams. After designing this use case diagrams, you should analyze how your applications will be working like that. So example is class registration systems. So in this having two actors, students and administrators. So inside use cases performed in between student and administrators is student registrations, manage examinations, manage question bank, system logging and test and reports. Here the actors are specified left side as well as right side. So in between two actors, you should specify the actions within the ellipse that is called as action state or cases in between two actors. So example case study the next generation POA systems. Here you should perform 5 operations: analysis, design, implementation, project management and test artifacts. So here having diagrams in this you should specify the actors those are involved in process of sale. So for example if you are getting some products in the shopping complex, so at the time the multiple actors involved to perform the sale operations that will be discussed here. So first one we discussed about actors. So actors is persons or it is a computer systems or organization is called as actors. So the scenario is a specific sequence of actions and interactions between the actors and the systems. So scenario is a use cases. You should specify the scenario within the ellipse box. So it performs some actions in between the multiple actors. There are 3 kind of actors: primary actors, supporting actors and offstage actors. Primary actor, so it has user goals fulfilled by using services of SUD system under discussions. So the cashier is an example of primary actor. He only performing sale operations, so he acts as a primary actor. Supporting actor, they provide services to SUD, so system under discussions. So here the supporting actor is called as managers. So third one is an offstage actor. He is an interest in behavior of the use cases but not acting as a primary or supporting actor. Example government tax agencies. So stakeholders involved in process of sale operations: cashier, salesperson and customer. So here the cashier to perform sale operations, salespersons. So if any doubts from the client, they clarify the product information to the corresponding customers. So customers wants some quality products from the sales. So fourth one is a manager. So he monitor the cashier activity as well as customer activity. So if having any problems that will be clarified with the help of managers. So government tax agencies want to collect a tax from every sale. Maybe multiple agencies such as national SGST as well as CGST. So country and state. So payment authorization services, I provide payment gateway through ReadyCash or GP or some other payment activities that will be monitored in payment authorization services. So last one is a company who is constructing the shopping complex. So he performing sale operation. So with the help of shopping complex, he got some profits. So precondition cashier is identified and authenticated. So what is the preconditions means? Before doing process of sale, you should provide a authentication to the cashier. So cashier only performing sale operations. So then second one is a success guarantees. So it is a post conditions. Sale is saved, tax is correctly calculated, accounting and inventory are updated, commissions are recorded, that will be monitored as a successful guarantees. Main successful scenario in process of sale. Here we are discussed about how the customers buy a products from the shopping complex. So in successful manner. So customer arrives at the shop, check out with the goods and our services or to purchase. Cashier start a new sale operations. So cashier enters item identifier with the help of barcode scanners. So four point. So system records sale line item and presents item descriptions, price and the running total, price calculated from the set of price rules. So then cashier repeats steps 3 and 4, indicates done. So because the cashier enters all the products with the help of barcode scanners. System presents total with the tax calculator. Cashier tells customers the total and asks for payments. Customer pay and system handles the payment. So after that, the payment process and the product sale informations that should be maintained. System logs completed sale and send the sale and the payment informations to the external accounting systems. So system presents the receipts. The customer leaves with the receipt and goods, if any. So here the extension portions, it represents the alternative flows. So if the sale process not performed well, so having any problems in sale process, that should be monitored and rectified here as a alternative flows. So uh, it should be at any time manager request on overriding operations. So what is meant by overriding operations? If cashier takes a leave, so that time the manager act as a cashier to perform sale operations. So at any time system fails, that should be rectified with the help of managers and technical teams. So if sales not found, that will be occurred means, so you should verify the servers is working properly, otherwise barcode scanner is working properly, that should be monitored by the manager. So second next point, the customer tells the cashier they have a tax accept status. So that time also having some problems in sale process, that time the cashier to explain how much of cost without tax as well as with the tax. So invalid item ID. So if the cashier scanning the barcode, so at the time the item not found, not found in systems, the system signals errors and rejects the entry or cashier responds to the error. So at the time they enter the product informations in direct. There are multiple and same items categories and tracking unique item identity not important. So you should perform sale operations as usual. Cashier can enter item category identifier and the quantity.